What's going on, everybody? Coming back to you with another video, giving you an update on the last video that I sent out to you guys, giving you some information about a product that I was working on that I ran into a couple little minor stumbling blocks, but really nothing that stopped the project, but it really easily could have stopped the project. So I did promise you guys that I would keep you abreast of the situation and what was going on. So a couple pieces of good news. First of all, when I sat back down with the mentor, and I'll call him my mentor at this point, he made a very good observation and explained to me something that really resonated with me when we were talking. He sat down and told me that the vast majority of businesses, especially black businesses, are in the service-based industry. They're consultants, they're coaches, they're teachers, trainers, things of that nature. And he said very little of us produce any products. We don't sell anything. So that really kind of resonated with me. As I was moving forward with this project, it started me thinking about generational wealth, how much easier it is to grow that wealth when you have some kind of product to sell. It got me thinking about how to scale a whole lot easier when you have a product that you sell. And also made me thinking about inventors. You know, I'm recording this during Black History Month, and you see a lot of posts and people commenting about somebody who invented this and somebody who invented that. You're thinking about peanut butter, the stoplight, things of that nature. But who are inventing things right now? And I got to thinking, you know what? I'm going to be a part of an elite group. Somebody in our community who's actually invented something. So that was another reason why I really pushed forward with the idea of not taking no for an answer, or not getting bombarded, or not getting distracted with any kind of obstacles that come in my way. And so that was another reason why I really pushed forward with this idea and made sure that I stayed on the right track. But the biggest thing about it was it's now patent pending. That's right. You heard me say it. My project, the invention that I created, is patent pending. That's another topic that I want to discuss, because I had actually met with an attorney, a patent attorney, probably about 6 months ago. Sat down with him. He had an initial consultation with me, gave me some ideas on what the cost structure would look like, the process of actually getting the patent, what it all entails, and how to go through it step by step by step. So I had my game plan in place, was continuing to work on the project in my garage, and as we're getting close to completing the actual prototype, the raw prototype, I kind of circled back around to him and asked him a quick question, just shot him an email, asked him a question about moving forward. He gave me an answer. But then something else happened. Again, activity breeds activity. When all that stuff starts to come into fruition, you see the signs that you have to capitalize on. So I'm a member of meetup.com. So if, for those of you who don't know, it's a platform, if you will, that just talks about different networking and meetup groups that are in your area. And one of the emails that I received not too long after talking to the patent attorney was from a group called the Southeastern Inventors Association. Now, obviously, having a product that I was working on, the title really piqued my interest. So I went ahead and signed up to go visit them and get some more information about the inventions. Couldn't stay the whole time. I wish I could have. Had a previous obligation that cut it short, but I got a load of information from that group, enough so that I was able to go back home, and the following week, I mean like 2 or 3 days later, get a software that they had recommended that walked me through the patent process. I was able to take all the research that I had previously done over the past 6 months, input it into this software to actually write my patent application, include my photos, which I already had. So again, this wasn't something that I just did in 1 week. I had 6 months worth of data already set up, and I carved out an entire day from about 8 o'clock in the morning, 9 o'clock in the morning, till about 6 o'clock that evening, inputting all that information into this database or into this software, and then was able to upload that to the U.S. Patent and Trade Office, and I am officially patent pending. So very excited about that. It's been an interesting journey so far. This is just the start. As always, I will continue to keep you guys posted. My next course of action is to start working on getting the official prototypes done. The market research is already done. I actually have a good friend of mine who will probably be coming in as a partner or an investor who owns a cleaning service. And so we were able to send the prototypes to his staff, let them really look at it, dissect it, give us some recommendations, and I was able to make some tweaks to the prototype based on the feedback that I got from them. So again, very important that you get some market research, focus groups, things of that nature before you start going through the process of trying to launch a product. So once I get that prototype set up and field tested a little bit more to make sure that it's exactly what I need it to be, then we'll be starting to look for investors. Thinking about going maybe the licensing route. That's the route that I'm leaning towards right now, unless I can really get some good margins and opportunities available for actually marketing and selling the product. But if not, the route that I'm looking to take is licensing right now. So just wanted to update you guys on that. Always talking about black business, and with this video I want to talk about the fact that black business does not have to always be service based. We have to start thinking a little bit broader, looking at promoting and producing products that we can sell in the marketplace, and we don't have to be limited to one. This is a very exciting time for me. I've had plenty of ideas in the past that I've never capitalized on, but had I known how to work that process and what you needed to do to get something patented, I probably would have 3 or 4 products patented by now. But it's never too late. This will be my first of a few, if not many. So I will continue to chronicle this process, let you guys know how it goes. And I look forward to hearing from you guys in the comments on maybe some products that you're working on. If you need any kind of resources, I'll be more than happy to link those up with you as well. So let's get out there, create some products. Let's start building generational wealth, and let's continue to talk black business.